Hey everyone, want to change your display name in Roblox? It's quick and easy. First of all, log into your Roblox account, then click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select settings from the drop-down menu. In the account info section, you will see your display name at the top. This is different from your username. It's what other players see in games. Click the pencil icon next to your current display. Type in your new display name. Remember, it must follow Roblox community guidelines. Once you have chosen your name, click Save. Your display name will update instantly. Keep in mind, Roblox officially only allows you to change your display name once every 7 days. While there's no direct way to bypass this policy, there are a few creative workarounds you can consider. Some players have reported that changing their device's region or time zone settings can reset the timer for display name changes. To do this, go to your device settings and update your region to one in a different time zone. Restart Roblox and see if the option to change your display name is available. And that's it. While Roblox 7 days rule is strict, these methods might just help you switch up your display name faster. Let me know if you tried this out. Thanks for watching.